This topic is important for ISC students for class 11th and 12th, and this comes under directed writing, which will be for 10 marks. This is a compulsory question, so let's begin. Question number 2B. As a member of student council of your school, you have been given the responsibility of setting up a science club. Write a proposal in about 150 words stating the steps you would take to successfully establish this particular club. We are beginning with the answer, but let me tell you that I have done a few changes according to the latest competency focused questions which came very recently from the council. So let's begin. Proposal for setting up a science club. First, we begin with the heading oblique introduction, then colon sign, that is two dots, to foster an interest in science outside the classroom and introduce the students to the wonders and relevance of science in our lives. We propose to set up a science club in school. Maximum two sentences, and they will fetch you 2 marks. Objectives will be our next subheading. Colon, a science club will help students overcome their phobias regarding science. It will be instrumental in developing the scientific curiosity of students through its activities and programs. Minimum 2 points and 2 marks it will fetch you. Next subheading is list of measures. The middle school activity room may be used as the room for all science club meetings and activities. Next bullet, the meetings may take place once a week after school from 2 p.m. till 3:30 p.m. Any activities such as talks by scientists or competitions may take place on Saturdays. Next bullet, membership of the science club may be open to all students from classes 6 to 12. Write in Roman numbers when you're writing classes. The club president may be Mr. Sinha, our senior physics teacher. 8 other office bearers may be elected from the members of the club. Next bullet, club membership may be fixed at rupees 250 per member per year. Next bullet, the club may have a range of activities ranging from science fairs, robo making, creating slogans and posters, documentaries, and so on. Minimum 4 points, it will fetch you 4 marks. We hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school. For linguistic ability, you get 2 marks, a total of 10 marks it will fetch you. A very important note is there. It is suggested that while writing a proposal, the students provide an apt, meaning appropriate or suitable title, a heading that is an introduction of about 2 sentences, a minimum of 2 objectives, and a list of measures of a minimum of 4 points. The proposal should be concluded with an appropriate sentence. 2 marks will be awarded for linguistic ability. We have not given a separate heading as conclusion, but you can see it clearly that the sentence we hope that the proposal will be accepted so that the science club becomes a reality in the life of the school is the conclusion. So you have to give it. Thank you. I hope you have learned something new today and it will benefit you in future. All the very best for your examinations. Thank you.